Hi everyone, I'm Suresh. Last week we have seen the basics of Vagrant, uh, how to set it up and how to spin up a virtual machine. This week we are going to see some more details about Vagrant, like boxes and how to provision the virtual machine in the Vagrant. Let's have a look at the image. Uh, as I have mentioned in my previous video, image is nothing but base OS. Uh, in our case, actually, we have installed 64-bit Ubuntu image in our virtual machine. So uh, let's check the global status in my local machine. Uh, Vagrant global status. It's going to give me how many machines are running. So if you look at this output, you can see that I've been running only one virtual machine using Vagrant. That's what we ran last week, the same machine which is still running. So what we did last time, we added that image name with the Vagrant init command to update the Vagrant file. Then we used a Vagrant up command, which pulled the image from the hub and installed it in the virtual machine. That we have seen already. With that, when we were doing Vagrant up, um, it it actually first installed the box in my local machine. My local machine, it imported the box into the virtual machine and ran the virtual machine. That's how it happened. You can see that, like, if I run this command, then you can see what are the boxes available in my local machine. Now the trusty 64, which we have installed using Vagrant up command, uh, is visible here. So this is installed globally. That means you can get into any folder and you can try to use this image. This image is not going to be pulled in from the hub or the network in the future, because it is available locally. That's the advantage. And one more thing is that uh, you don't need to run a virtual machine to install any image. Directly you can install any image or box into your local machine. How to do that? So let me install the box directly from the hub into my machine, so that I don't need to run any virtual machine to install any image. Let me go here. You can see this site from here. Also you can pull in the image, and let me search for Ubuntu. Yeah, and I need a VirtualBox provider, so I go here. This is for the testing purpose, so let me use any image. Okay, let me copy this image, and we go here. This is the command to directly import an image from the hub. You can name this image, so I'm gonna name this one my, which is this is 12.04, so I'm gonna call it as my Ubuntu 12.04. Then I give the image URL. So now what is going to happen, it's going to pull in the image over the network from the hub and install it in my local machine globally. Yeah, let's wait and I'll come back again. So now it is downloaded. You can see it over here. um, Let me check the list of boxes. So now you can see the Ubuntu 12.04 is downloaded and renamed as my Ubuntu 12.04, and it is put in my local box. So you can see it over here. This image is available globally in my local machine. So I can use this image or this box to create or to spin up more virtual machines. You can do it something like this. So you just need to mention this name, and this will be added in your Vagrant file. Then when we do a Vagrant up, the image will be used in the virtual machine. I have just covered the basics of boxes. If you'd like to read more about it, you can go here to this official site, and you can read more about boxes. Yeah, I think that's pretty much I wanted to cover today. Uh, Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I will see you again with my next tutorial.